That's it. And I really want you to contract, pushing the heels, right abdomen in, engage your core. Perfect. And you got to pause at the way at the top. Boom. There you go. Perfect. That's it. Good. Approaching. And 30 seconds to go. Perfect. Good. Remember, you got to push from the heels. And you've got to keep your knees behind the toes a little bit. So point the hip going straight up, vertical. Yeah, it's like that minor movement. Perfect. And 5, 4, 3. Hold it up, and rest. Keep your chest up. Stop right there. Don't even lock out. I want you to stop 1.5 inches before you lock your knees out. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. All the way down. Chest up. Boom. Core engage. Chest up. Boom. Contract. I want you to really contract your quads. Perfect. Come on. You got this. Perfect. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Time.